Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing how to go to Canada from India during these travel restrictions. The answer is so simple. Depends on which part of India you are located as of now. Doesn't matter. All you have to do is, if you are an international student, I am here talking especially for the international student criteria. Okay? International students, there's a good news. Now you are not in any restrictions. You are in the essential list of Canada travel by the Canadian government. So you can easily travel to Canada. As you may all know, the Canadian government extended the travel restrictions till August 21 for the direct flights from India. So all you need to do is travel via a third country and come to Canada very easily. So I suggest, my first suggestion is use Mexico as a transit from India. So first of all, you need to do, take a flight from Delhi airport to Frankfurt, from Frankfurt to Mexico, and Mexico to Canada. And in Mexico, you will get visa on arrival, and you can do COVID test in Mexico, and you can fly to Canada. So first of all, from India, you need to do a PCR test, 72 hours PCR test, and take a flight to Frankfurt, and from Frankfurt, with that same PCR test, it is valid, you can go to Mexico. And from Mexico, you have to do another PCR test. Don't worry about the visa, you are getting visa on arrival. And with that PCR test, you can fly to Canada. And you need to keep in mind just one thing, that's a very good news as of now. From August 6, the Canadian government take away the hotel quarantine rule. So you don't have to worry about booking a hotel. You don't have to waste money around $1,200 to $2,000 for staying in 3-day hotel quarantine. All you need to do is, if you are not fully vaccinated with COVID Shield vaccine, you have to have 14 days quarantine in a quarantine facility. That can be your house, that can be your rental apartment, that can be your college quarantine facility. That's all depend upon you. But good news, if you are fully vaccinated, you doesn't have to quarantine in Canada. You can roam and you can go wherever you want after you landing in Canada. And I suggest you, there are only 4 international airports open in Canada for international passengers and international students. That is, first of all, Toronto, Montreal, Vancouver, and Edmonton. So out of 100 students traveling to Canada, almost 60% of them are flying through Toronto, and another 15% going to Montreal, and rest of them going to Vancouver and Edmonton. So I just suggest, better you, if you are studying in Ontario, better you go to Montreal airport, because the formalities in Montreal immigration and the Montreal airport is quite simple for Indian students. So I suggest you please use the Montreal airport as the first landing in Canada. That will be very easy for you. And take care. This is, all paths are open for you. If you have a valid Canadian visa, and if you are a Canadian student, you can travel. No, there is nobody to stop you. But keep in mind, you should have the essential travel documents like insurance. In case if you test positive for COVID in some places, you should have a travel insurance and medical insurance, so that you can get the refund of the flights, and they can accommodate you in the another flight, or they can give free COVID treatment in these countries, transit countries. You can also try Serbian route, but in Serbia from this July 5, they started 7-day quarantine. I am currently in Belgrade in Serbia, and for booking hotels in Serbia, you can choose hostels. This is quite cheap comparing to the 5-star hotels. Only 80 euros for 7 days quarantine in Belgrade. All you need to do is book a hostel from booking.com. And here you have to, in Serbia, the problem is that here the COVID test is quite expensive. It is like around 7,000 Indian rupees for one COVID test, I mean PCR test. So keep that in mind. Anyway, doesn't worry about the August 21 flight ban, because Canadian government extended the flight ban. You don't need to worry about that, because for everybody the September intake is coming. So you can travel via third country. You can travel at least 1 month before your course start date. So it's not a big trouble now. Every path is open, and you need to, in Arrive Canada app, you need to upload these documents, like where you will be quarantined, I mean the quarantine plan. Then if you are fully vaccinated, just upload that COVID Shield vaccine fully vaccinated certificate that you can get it from the Arogya Setu app with Prime Minister's photo and those barcode. That thing you have to upload in Arrive Canada app. Canadian government consider COVID Shield same to AstraZeneca vaccine. So there is not much communication error will be there in the immigration. They know it is approved in Canada. So you don't have to quarantine in Canada if you are fully vaccinated. So this is the latest update for Canada. Keep that in mind. And for the Canada PR and Canada citizens from India, the same procedure you can follow. And I think after August 21, Canada may remove this flight ban. Let's hope for that. Thank you. All the best.